Hey everyone, I'm so much privileged to come back here to maybe give a small recap about CADJPY, about the analysis that we made, and it's really playing out the way we really expected it. And here I am to give you a small recap of what has been happening from the last time. I think that was a Friday when I gave you the analysis, and then today it is also a Thursday. It is 16th of October 2025, a period of after 7 days, and we are here to talk about the recap of everything and how it went. So when we go to a 4 hour, we realize that when we go to a 4 hour, we have what our Fibonacci tool is telling us that level 79, level 0.7179 on a monthly time frame, it's where the markets had reached. If you're to check very well, if you go on a monthly time frame, you try to draw your Fibonacci, it will give you this position, and this order block, the whole of it is showing that position. So when the markets reached in that zone, now we started to see a change in terms of trend. And how we saw that is when markets reached around this zone, when you can really see it on a 4 hour time frame, it broke structure. It broke structure around this zone, and this was the point where the markets had broken structure to the above, but when they reached here, they started being rejected until they broke this structure once again and they came down. So I remember on that Friday we had unemployment and employment news. Then I started telling you that you sell, guys. So from that moment, the markets, if you can really see them from here, we entered from around this zone, around here, and we have been holding our trade until right now, where it is around this zone. I am expecting it to cover up this gap, which is around this zone. The whole of it is going to be covered, and probably the markets, before maybe they change, they will have come to around this position around here. So right now we are so far moving very well, and if I'm to calculate the pips that we are in right now, we are in 213 pips, 213 to 220 pips, around there. That's where we are right now, and I'm so happy that I gave in this signal to you guys so that you can really take it. I hope those ones who saw it and utilized it, they are really making some good money, and I hope to be giving you more content concerning my analyses that I always make on different pairs. But you can subscribe and follow up every time now and then. You can also click that notification button so that when I post any video, you should also check it out and it should give you a feedback that side. Also, you can visit my TikTok page, Fast Kings FX, and probably you'll be getting more of my signals. Or you can inbox me on my TikTok, on my Instagram. My phone numbers are there, Fast Kings FX, and then possibly I'll be this kind of a person who can reply and help you with making analysis, also with teaching you and giving you some good education concerning forex and how to generate these signals. Yes guys, lastly, as I speak to you, to remind you, this market is going to move and it's going to cover this gap, but of course it will cover like 50% before we get a rejection to the above. Then it will come back and cover the whole of it. So at the moment, that's what we are seeing, and the markets are still going down. So we are expecting the markets to come to around this zone. If I'm to draw the order block, it is to around this zone, around here, or maybe they could even break and continue up below, or maybe we could get a rejection which could maybe change also everything to the above. So it depends what will happen around this zone. This zone really matters at the moment, so let's be patient until the market covers that position, and then possibly we shall get some more setups on CADJPY. Otherwise, I wish you all the best. Bye bye.